Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use chat in Jitsi Meet step by step. The built-in chat feature lets you send messages, share links, and communicate with meeting participants without interrupting the conversation. So let's get started. First, open Jitsi Meet in your web browser or mobile app and join or start a meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, make sure you're connected to the internet and can see the meeting controls on your screen. Next, locate the chat or messages icon on the meeting toolbar. Click or tap it to open the meeting chat panel. If someone has already sent a message, you'll usually see a notification or badge on the chat icon. Now click inside the message box and type the text you want to send. You can share announcements, ask questions, post website links, or provide important information without speaking over other participants during the meeting. After typing your message, press Enter on your keyboard or tap the Send button on your mobile device. Your message will immediately appear in the meeting chat for all participants to read. Continue using the chat throughout the meeting whenever you need to communicate silently. Finally, keep your messages clear, respectful, and relevant to the meeting topic. Depending on the meeting settings or server configuration, the chat history may only be available while the meeting is active, so save any important information before the meeting ends if necessary. And that's it. You now know how to use chat in Jitsi Meet and communicate effectively with other participants during your online meetings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next